The poodle is a very intelligent, energetic dog with excellent temperament and temperament. You can train them to pick up newspapers, bring them to you, bring your shoes, and carry empty bottles to the trash. The poodle dog, among the most popular dog breeds in the world. The poodle dog breed comes in 3 sizes. It is the standard poodle, the small poodle, and the game poodle. All sizes are considered to be the same breed of poodle dogs. No type of dog has a sense of humor and fun like a poodle. It is one of the most popular dog breeds in the world, as lovers of that breed always describe it with great intelligence, ease of learning and training, and their love for all family members. The poodle is a wonderful gentle dog that can be a wonderful companion for you and the family. Also, the poodle is a dog that tends to adapt well to any type of house. It is believed that the origins of poodle dogs were in Germany, although they were known as French dogs for many years. As the name poodle, it is derived from the German word, meaning, splash in the water. Poodles, which are of standard size, are considered the oldest form of this breed. This unique model is designed to protect the joints from cold water temperatures. The poodle was used to retrieve ducks and other birds for hunters. Also, the compact size and size of the game of poodle are good swimmers and hunters. Ultimately, the little poodle was the gentle companion of the French aristocracy. Take care of a poodle. The poodle dog has beautiful and unique fur. Because their curly, coarse hair is constantly growing, a poodle should receive a lot of attention over regular grooming, including haircutting and hair brushing. The fur is made of 1 layer. Poodle dogs require hair styling and grooming every 4 to 6 weeks, and some breeders of these types learn to use razors at home and do it themselves, but the majority depend on professionals to do so. In both cases, it is necessary to take care of their external appearance, because without regular hair cutting, it will become messy, and may lead to many lumps and knots that cause painful inflammation of the skin. Poodle dog hair comes in many colors: white, black, cream, gray, brown, blue, silver, beige and apricot, and some of them come in 2 colors such as poodle party dogs, including some that contain color points and are called the poodle phantom. The poodle also needs to have its nails trimmed every 2 weeks. It is also good hygiene to brush your dog's teeth at least 2 to 3 times a week. And check the dog's ears. Like all dogs, the poodle requires proper training and socialization in order to be happy and well groomed. Because poodles are very intelligent dogs, they can be easily trained to perform a variety of commands and tricks. They will also learn bad habits, if they are not balanced in the training process. Make sure your poodle understands the cycle as an alpha, and don't pamper your dog too much so it doesn't act as a spoiler in your home. The dog has a moderate to high energy level and requires daily exercise. Also, establish a routine that includes walking and fun activities such as games to keep a poodle mentally and physically stimulated. When a poodle is bored, it can exhibit unpleasant habits. So make sure to train a poodle to walk, mix with different people, and a poodle is a welcome dog in the dog park. When raised properly, a poodle is great in families with children. A standard-size poodle is a good choice for a family with children, while a miniature and toy poodle may be exposed to injury by a small child who does not treat dogs with kindness. These little dogs can be defensive if handled with violence. Older children, who respect dogs and be gentle with them, can get a poodle to be an excellent and fun companion for them. A poodle can also do well in multi-pet families, especially if raised with other pets. Feeding a poodle dog. The amount of food depends on its size, age, activity level, and other factors. It is best to give your poodle 2 meals a day. Standard-sized poodles may need up to 1.5 cups of dog food per meal, and miniature poodles up to 1/2 cup. Toy poodles are up to 1/4 cup. Obesity can lead to many health problems and shorten a dog's life. Your dog's nutritional needs should be discussed with your veterinarian. Poodle dog health problems. Routine veterinary care will help keep your dog healthy for many years. The poodle dog is sometimes considered to have a longer life than the average dog, especially the small size and the toy size. Responsible breeders strive to maintain the highest breed standards, set by the kennel clubs. Dogs that meet these criteria are less likely to inherit health problems. However, some hereditary health issues can occur in the poodle dog breed. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell, to receive all new things. Thank you for watching.